Your team has finally found the perfect candidate after months and months of interviewing. Now you just wait for them to start, right? Well, the competition for today's talent is quite intense. In between the time that the candidate accepts your offer and their first scheduled day on the job, there will be interested recruiters, hiring managers, and organizations contacting your candidate about other opportunities. How do you ensure the new hire sticks to the decision of joining your organization and keep the momentum going? Workato makes the pre-boarding process simple and easy to manage. Don't let paperwork like NDAs and tax forms overwhelm your new hires on their first day. Use automations with Workato to take care of the administrative tasks so your new hires can get to an exciting start on day one. Automatically send important documents and track progress through completion. Easily sync updates for benefits, tax forms, and background checks in your HRIS app, all automatically. Give IT a heads up by creating requests for identity, email, and application provisioning ahead of time. Automatically update those tasks if the new hire decides to join early or delay their start date. Build automations with Workbot for faster approvals from hiring managers, procurement, finance, and other teams. Have your new hires equipped with a laptop, phone, email, and access to other critical systems so they feel like a part of the team the moment they walk in. Companies lose 1 in 4 candidates to competition while they wait for a new hire to start. Don't let your engagement go cold just because they've accepted the offer. Send regular touch points to welcome them to the team. Congratulate your new hire right after they accept their offer. Pass on the new hire's first day schedule and a fun welcome video before they start. Schedule to send a welcome package with company swag. Make the pre-boarding experience fun for your new hires, recruitment team, and hiring managers. With a carefully designed and thoughtful pre-boarding process, you can make new hires feel valued and appreciated long before they join your team. From all of us at Workato, happy recruiting. Request a demo today to get started.